We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Italians have this strong relationship with the sea, with going to the beach. If you're an Italian, you will remember the summers spent at the beach with your family. And even if you don't live in Italy, you will remember coming back on holiday and enjoying food at the beach, playing cards, swimming, suntanning, having a little siesta in the afternoon and a good old gelato. These are memories that you never forget, and Italians love these memories of sea and sun. Okay, so we thought we'd give you our top 6 beaches or places to swim in our area, so in the southeast of Sicily. Number 6 beach is Lido di Noto. Obviously, it is in Noto. It is a very long stretch of white sandy beach. The water is beautifully transparent. And yes, you can find a little bar or some shops nearby. Number 5 is Pineta del Gessuminetto, very close to where we live. Beautiful long stretch of white sandy beach and rocks on the side that you can adventure, climb up and dive from. We often go kayaking here. There are 2 caves to adventure. Beautiful stretch of beach. Number 4 is the Plemirio with all the different varchi, which just means the little paths that lead you down to its water. It's not beach, a lot of caves, a lot of rocks, beautiful transparent water, good for snorkeling. Number 3, Isola Bella in Taormina. What can I say about this beautiful rocky beach? It's stunning, iconic and beautiful. Number 2, Calamosche Beach is in Noto. It's in the natural reserve of Vendiceri. The water is absolutely stunning. We have a lot of tourists here, and you also have to walk a bit before you get to this beach, and there are no shops or anything around here because it's a natural reserve. But trust me, you will absolutely love this beach. You can walk from this beach, 3-kilometer walk to the next beach, which is Vendiceri. And our absolute number 1 beach is San Lorenzo Beach, obviously in San Lorenzo. Beautiful color, beautiful stretch of white sandy beach. There's a little van that sells drinks, ice cream. You have everything there. You do have a couple of paid beach along the beach, but we go to the free beach, and we absolutely love this place. So we are on our way to Siracusa. We are getting some honey jars because Massi got some honey from work and a lot of people want the honey, so we're going to distribute it. But first of all, we need the honey jars. So you won't believe how difficult it is to find honey jars in this place. Couldn't find any.
Especially in season, the honey is everyone's harvesting now.
I suppose that's true. So nothing in Floridia. We're going to see if we can find something in Siracusa. Okay, we got the jars, and now we're just having a quick pit stop. Crema di caffè. You guys need to try this when you come here.
Coffee cream.
Coffee cream. Cream of coffee.
We've got an hour or so to hide.
Lavender's all cut down. Had to be done. It's a bit sad, but I know that next year, or actually in autumn, it'll grow back again and it'll be even better. So got a few bunches over there which I will distribute to a few friends, some friends that I know that really love lavender, and they can dry it. Obviously it's beautiful. Anyway, I'm glad I did that at like 8 o'clock in the morning, because it's 9 o'clock now and it's like 31 degrees, so hot. Okay, Massi's in the kitchen. It's Friday evening and he's super busy and he's done a lot of shopping. I don't know what's going on, or maybe I do, but I'll let you tell me.
What's going on. Okay,
What's happening, Mas?
I am cooking for a birthday party for a person who has asked me to cater for them. So I've got a menu that I've made up for her, and we are cooking. Maria's giving me a hand, obviously. We're cooking a few dishes which I have proposed to her. She loves the idea of what I've given her. I'm not going to go into detail, but yeah, there's a lot of prep to do. Excuse me, I need to blow my nose. There's a lot of prep to do, and we are gonna, well, starting now, yeah.
Tomorrow night, isn't it? Yeah.
Party tomorrow night, and I'm getting a lot done now.
Yeah.
Obviously, to not overload myself for tomorrow.
Excellent. Okay, so we'll just show the people what you are going to be doing in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, he's making the classical caponata. So obviously it's a whole lot of vegetables diced up, and then they're all going to be fried, and that
separately fried, yeah.
Yeah, separately fried. That will be amazing. I think I'm going to take over here, and he's going to start doing a dough. So Mas, what are you doing here?
Okay, so here I am. I've let the yeast stay in a little bit of warm water, because when the weather's warm, you want to use warm water.
Right.
And I've put the yeast in there for at least 15 minutes.
But what are you making?
To let it activate. I'm now making a focaccia. It's a focaccia that's very famous in Palermo. It's called sfincione. Sfincione.
And what's the difference between a normal focaccia and this sfincione?
Sfincione has got tomato. They use also anchovies, which I'm not going to put on because some people don't. A lot of people are vegetarian where we're going.
Yeah.
So I'm not putting anchovies, and you use a cheese called caciocavallo.
It sounds amazing.
And all herbs and spices. Very nice.
So you're doing this the night before, so it raises nicely.
I'm making the dough tonight for tomorrow, yeah.
Okay. Right, I'm nearly there. Just got to fry some more veggies. In the meantime, we've made some spinach and feta pie for dinner, so we can just grab and eat really quickly. Massi's making 2 tiramisus, 1 dark chocolate and 1 light chocolate. Looking good. So while we're cooking, we're going to eat some dinner.
Oh, that's it.
Massi's made the 2 tiramisu. He's going to put the chocolate on tomorrow. Is that right, Massi?
Exactly.
Oh, it's weird without the chocolate.
Okay, so taking a bit of, well, we stopped for now.
Yeah.
We've done what we've had to do for tonight. We've got some of it done.
We got quite a bit done, actually.
Yeah, we've got a bit more to do, which I will carry on doing when I get home from work tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock, I start work.
I start at 9, and we both finish at around about 1-ish.
Yeah, because you actually asked me to come in earlier tomorrow, so yeah.
Okay.
And it's better for me if I work in the cool, because it's really getting hot now.
It's very hot.
So I work until about 5 till 1 or 5 till 12.
And then we both got to come home and we're going to carry on cooking.
Yeah, I've still got, I've got to make the rice. I've got to make some mince. I've got to stuff the peppers and the tomatoes.
Got to make some fresh pasta.
Got to make the pasta as well.
And then we'll just take everything down to her place at about 5.
Finish it off, yeah.
Finish it off. And the party's about what, 6:30, 8? I think.
About 8 o'clock, everyone will start eating, I reckon.
Which will be lovely. It's a whole bunch of expats.
Yeah, so it's going to be fun. Nice people.
Yeah.
Love being with these people.
They're great fun. They really are.
Yeah, these are good people.
They just don't like to be filmed, so I don't know if I am.
We don't film much.
We don't like to film them because I've heard them speak so about them not, you know. But anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll see tomorrow. But we'll definitely film the food. Yeah. Because that's the important thing.
The finishing product, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. So, buonanotte.
Good night and
see you tomorrow.
A good sleep. Bye bye.
Saturday afternoon, and we are busy continuing what we were doing last night. So Massi's doing the fennel, grilling the fennel. Let's go and have a look over here. There we go, that looks beautiful. I've just fried the aubergines. I am now emptying the tomatoes to stuff them. The sfincione is growing nicely. Let's go and have a look what we have here in the dining room. We have mince and rice cooling down and normal rice, plain rice, which will go into the peppers and the tomatoes. Okay, so here we've done some fennel with some breadcrumbs, parmigiano, parsley. I think it's called al gratin. I don't know if that's how you say that in English, but anyway, that's going in the oven. Massi just filled the tomatoes with rice and mince, half are with mince and half are without. Same again like the tomatoes, but we're doing peppers in the oven. Wow, that is huge. Massi's still got to work on that one. Okay, so Massi is now doing the fresh tagliatelle. We started doing them here. We're running a bit late, but we'll make it. We'll make it.
No, too late.
Okay, the sfincione. How do you say this? I can't even say.
Sfincione
is ready. We've done 2 just with caciocavallo, olives, and sauce. And the third one, we've added some anchovies. So we will let our veggie friends know about that one. These 3 are going in the oven now. So I really don't know how we're going to get all of the stuff, and there is still more stuff here. Sfincione, can't even say that bloody word, but anyway. Sfincione. Anyway, so we're going to see how that's all going to fit into the smart. That's going to be a nice little episode. Let's see how that goes.
You fill that in. You move my chores as well.
No, that's how I buy.
Why did you move it on?
Is there more stuff? Oh, she's right on the edge though, I'm worried. No, nothing. Can't believe we're getting all this stuff in this little smart. It's crazy. And it's so hot. Whew. Just when you think it was ending. Oh my goodness.
You're gonna have to lift it up from.
Okay. Okay, I don't even know how we got all of that stuff in this tiny little smart. Now we've just got to go super slow. So they live on the other side of Floridia in the countryside, and it's going to be about 16 people altogether. So see you there. We are right under these beautiful mountains here. Area is lovely. Okay, we're at my friend's house. I just want to show you. It is so cute. I just want to show you what it's like. So this is the area that we're going to be obviously eating. How cute is this area with all the little fairy lights? Massi's just having a bit of a look around. Beautiful, love it. Loads of citrus trees, oranges, lemons, mandarins, you name it. They've got huge properties, beautiful. Right behind there are the mountains. So behind the house there's a huge mountain. Lovely. Look at this. Look at this. Love it. Pizza oven. Beautiful barbecue, everything. There are the mountains behind. Oh, look at these cactuses here. They're huge.
Fennel Oh, Fra's gonna love it. Cheese? Fennel gratin.
Oh yeah, it's the same. The
Yellow pepper. Oh shit.
It's not gonna set fire to it.
Okay, I think they like it. Just gonna go help Massi see what's happening in the kitchen. How's it going, Mas?
I'm not smoking. I've got this electric cigarette.
Okay. All right, now we're hitting the pasta. We're doing the pasta.
Like a disco lights in here.
Disco lights in here. I think starters went pretty well. So now we're starting with the pasta. Beautiful fairy lights outside. Everyone seems pretty happy. And you? Hey? Okay, I think we need a glass of wine. Hey, Massi.
Damn it. We should have had a pre-dinner.
And the other, the
I'm gonna run back in.
We're going in. That's invited. Oh, quarter to 5. I really didn't rush.
Much needed granita and brioche after last night, eh, Mas?
Hey, good morning.
Buongiorno.
Because it is morning now. So this morning we're on a little bit of a recovery phase.
Yeah,
So yeah, last night was real fun. We had a nice time.
very much
And we
so.
took a lot to prepare all what we had to do. It was
been
quite hot
hectic.
in the little kitchen,
Yeah.
Beck's little kitchen shame.
Yeah, we're absolutely exhausted, but it was well worth it, wasn't it?
I had so much fun. We
Yeah.
really enjoyed ourselves. Nice people.
Beautiful people.
Every time we go out with these people, it's beautiful.
We have so much fun, and there's always something going on. Someone's birthday,
Yeah.
going. In fact, on the 30th, we've been invited to a pool party, which is amazing. And as we said, this is a whole bunch of expats, so Maltese,
Yeah, people that have
British.
decided to come and stay here. I mean, yeah, like we have.
And then we met some Aussies last night who are
Some girls that are
actually
travelling, yeah.
traveling. They called
Rocket Pocket
Adventures. 2 girls traveling on a bike around Europe. So
They've
yeah,
also just discovered this YouTube creators vibe,
yeah.
and they seem to be very enthusiastic.
They're more active on Instagram, but they're going to get into YouTube as
Yeah,
well.
you know, if you guys
Yeah.
come across their channel, subscribe to them, help them along.
Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this week's video. That was the reason why we had to post on a Sunday, but because we had this catering going on and we were so busy.
Very busy, yeah. Very successful this catering.
Very
project.
successful, yes. So we're hoping to have more.
We're going to consider doing a lot more
Yeah,
than that.
because we've seen fantastic results. Anyway, I think we're going to carry on posting in the summer on a Sunday, because we do go out.
Works out better.
Yeah, it does work out, because if we do stuff on Saturday evenings or Sunday morning, we'd like to show you, you know. So yeah.
So at the moment, just to put some humour into today, because it's been a hectic day, we are now sitting outside a grilled chicken shop, waiting for them to grill our chicken. It'll take half an hour.
Because we can't be bothered to cook after 3 days of cooking.
Yeah,
do you blame us?
We're
Yeah.
going to get some takeaways.
So we're just getting a rotary, what do you call it, like a grilled chicken?
Rotisserie chicken, yeah.
Rotisserie chicken. We've ordered some nice potatoes and pepperoni peppers.
Did you?
I bought, I bought some nice filone from the panificio, the bakery shop.
And today's swimming pool day, so we're going to set up a pool.
We're building the swimming pool, and we might even go for a little swim if it's ready.
It won't be ready, no, but we'll get wet.
I'm gonna paddle anyway, I don't care, because it's very, very hot. Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because that does help us grow a little, and that makes it all worthwhile. don't forget.
Comments as well. We
Yeah.
like our comments. All your comments coming into us.
We love it. We love all our lovely habitual guys that do comment. Thank you so much for your lovely comments, and have a great week. Ciao, alla prossima.
Arrivederci. A dopo.